Hi, welcome to KlinKode PayRules tutorial series. Today we'll learn how to hide cash on delivery for orders over a limit from specific countries at Shopify checkout using KlinKode PayRules. First, navigate to the All Rules page of our app. Here you can manage all your payment rules. Click on the Add a New Rule button. You'll need to give your rule a name. Remember, this is just for internal use to help you identify the rule later. From the Select Payment Methods dropdown, choose Cash on Delivery. Now let's define when this payment method should be hidden. As you can see, we have two fields order amount fields. Subtotal, which is the price before adding taxes and shipping fees, and total, which includes everything, the product price, taxes, and shipping charges. For our example, we'll use the total field to set a limit. We will specify a maximum of $500. This means if an order exceeds $500, certain payment methods like cash on delivery won't be available. Additionally, we need to apply a country condition as well. For instance, if we set the country to Canada and the maximum limit to $500, anyone ordering from Canada will not see cash on delivery if their order total exceeds $500. Let's also consider a scenario where you want to hide cash on delivery for all countries except the USA for orders over $500. In this case, you would select the USA in the country field and choose Hide if not found. This setup ensures cash on delivery is only hidden for orders over $500 coming from outside the USA. It's crucial to remember that to hide the cash on delivery option, both the order amount and country conditions must be met. Therefore, you should set the Match Conditions field to All. Now, let's conduct a quick test. We aim to hide COD for all countries except the USA for orders above $500. After creating the rule, let's head to the checkout page. You can see the cash on delivery option available because the shipping country is set to the USA. Let's switch the country to another and check again. As expected, the COD option disappears from the checkout page. That's it. Simple way to manage cash on delivery with KlinKode PayRules. Contact us if you need help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.